Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve the back gesture reaching issue on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So I think the easiest solution of this issue is already designed into the interface of the smartphone. Instead of trying to reach for the left side of your phone to perform the back gesture, you can simply swipe from the right side like this, and so this will also perform the back gesture. And if you are afraid that it might interfere with regular swipe to the next page, you can adjust the edges for swiping in your navigation mode settings, which you can do by going to settings, then scrolling down to display, and here you can select navigation bar and select more options, and then adjust the gesture sensitivity. So you can, for example, make them more sensitive, the edges, to perform the back operation easier, or if you want to, you can go the other way around and make the gesture sensitivity lower so that you can actually distinguish back swipe and next page swipe better. Alternatively, you can of course simply switch to buttons navigation, which is definitely easier for this particular model. Or you can also use a more complex solution, but I'm not really sure about its greatness as an idea, but you can try it out and you can adjust it to yourself however you like. I'm gonna show you my example of how I would do this, but generally speaking, I would rather just use the built-in solution. So what we're gonna need to do is open the Samsung store and download the Samsung customization application called GoodLuck. All we have to do now is find the Samsung store. Okay, so here we have it. Now let's search for the GoodLuck application, and once you find it, install it, then open, and here we are looking for OneHand mode plus, or OneHand operation plus. You're gonna find it straight on the home page of the application. Tap download to install this module, and then open it right here. Enable it, and now you can adjust your right handle however you like. So assuming that you previously decreased the gesture sensitivity in swipe gestures options, you can assign some specific gesture for the back key. For example, we can select the right handle, then we can use one of the unusual swipes, so definitely not straight left, to which we have to assign none option, but either the diagonal up or diagonal down gesture for the back key. And in my opinion, the diagonal down is the best solution in this case, since it's easier to perform. I don't know, at least for me. So we can set the home up or the diagonal up to none, and set the diagonal down to back key. And this way we can easily distinguish between the back. So basically all we have to do is just swipe down diagonally and swipe to the next page, which we can do by swiping straight from left to right and in the opposite direction. So yeah, and these are pretty much all the solutions that we have. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.